I have started the recording and now we will start. So, just 1 minute. Okay, so hi everyone, myself Vipin Kumar Tiwari. I am currently based in Lucknow, which is in Uttar Pradesh. My hometown is Ayodhya. So, I have currently 2.5 years of experience in Intune, working on Intune. Previously, I have worked on the file and print and other technologies like SharePoint, file and print, and Azure Cloud. So, today we'll be looking forward for the Microsoft Intune, which is also a cloud-based platform. So this is all my side introduction. I'll be requesting you all also to unmute and introduce yourself. I'll be just taking out the names. You guys can unmute yourself and then introduce yourselves to everyone. Okay, so starting from Banu Mohan.
Hi Vipin, hi team. So my name is Banamati and I have 3.2 years of experience as a technical support engineer in Bangalore location.
Okay, okay. So, what motivates you to take the Intune training?
So basically, when I went through with, I wanted to shift my job, change my job and role and domain. So when I went through with that, and when I attended a few of the interviews, most of the interviews were being covered with completely with Intune. So basically, companies are expecting Intune knowledge more with the trading up or with the domain range with the Intune. So that's the reason I prefer, okay, Intune would be the right choice to shift or change the domain so that it has a good future for the upcoming years. So that's the reason, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Banu. You can mute. Uh, Dharini.
Hey all, good morning. I'm Dharni from Hyderabad. I have total 5 years of IT experience working as a system administrator for Windows. I'm a bit touched with SCCM, so I want to extend my career to Intune. So I have joined here.
Great, great. Thank you, Dharini. Requesting Samuel. If I'm pronouncing anyone's name incorrectly, so please correct me.
Uh, Hi, Vipin. This is Samuel.
Hi, Samuel.
I'm from Bangalore. Yeah, I'm from Bangalore. I've got around 5 to 6 years of experience in Windows support and identity and access management. So presently, my company is trying to move to Intune.
Okay,
So in future dates, maybe 6 months down the lane or 1 year, they'll be migrating to Intune. So that's why I wanted to just start my uh, thing in Intune,
great,
getting
great,
certified or trained on Intune.
great. Thank you. Hi, Zain. Hello, Jamin. Uh, could you please unmute yourself and introduce yourself? Okay, I expect he is facing some technical issue. So proceeding with Masna. Masnam, could you please unmute yourself and introduce? Uh, Guys, is there any difficulty in unmuting? I expect if there is some technical issue, then please let me know. Hello.
Yes, yes, Vipin, we can hear you.
Okay, okay, okay. So actually, I didn't get any response from Jamin and Masanam, so that is why. Okay, Khaidem has joined the meeting. Hi, Khaidem. Could you please introduce yourselves to the team?
Yeah, hello. I'm Khadim Pandrimite. Actually, I'm from Imphal, Manipur.
Okay, so what motivates you to join Intune training, proceed with the Intune technology?
Actually, I was searching for a work from home job. So, sorry, cannot move from here due to some my personal problems. So, I was searching for work from home job, and people recommended for this idea. That's why I joined.
Okay, okay, great. Thank you for confirming. Uh, Hi, Mohammed Amin. Could you please introduce yourself? Okay, Amin is also not there, I expect. Pankaj.
Yeah, hi Vipin. I'm having around 7 years of experience as a technical and cloud support engineer,
Okay,
and
great.
I just wanted to learn Intune to grow in my career.
Okay, okay. Pawan. Pawan Singh, are you there?
Hi, Vipin. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, you are audible.
Yeah. Am I audible? Okay.
Mm,
So, I'm working in Florida. In, IT from last 12 to had a
yeah,
4 years
your voice is breaking in between, Pawan.
doing data center support engineer, and now I have been okay. Give me a minute. Let me go to near Wi-Fi. If that is better now.
Yeah, yeah, it is better now.
Is it better now? Yeah. So I have been there in IT field from last 12 years, and initial 5 years I have spent as a desktop support engineer and server support engineer, that is data center support engineer. And now I have been in SCCM field. SCCM is not that SCCM which was earlier 10 years ago. Now SCCM has Intune knowledge as well. So, I mean, if you have to be in FSCM field, you must know Intune. Otherwise, you may not survive after 2 3 years.
Yeah, yeah,
And that's the reason you can see that I am forced to learn Intune, and also I have interest in learning new things, especially related to technology that I'm working in, and that's inspired me to learn Intune. But it's not the inspiration. It's my. I mean, I am forced to learn. Otherwise, I may not survive in this job.
okay, okay, great. Thank you for sharing this. So, requesting Prasant to please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm myself Prashant. I'm from Dubai and working as a system administrator. I have more than 3 years experience in Azure. The main reason for attending this training is that I want to get in-depth knowledge in Intune. So I have a basic level of understanding, but I want to go in deep.
Okay, great. Thank you, Prashant. Rajesh,
Hi, Vibin. Good morning.
good morning.
Yeah, I'm Rajesh. Currently, I'm working as a system administrator for the last 10 years. So, currently, our company has adopted this Intune system, but other team members are managing currently because I do not have much exposure with this Intune. So, that is the reason I'm planning to join this course. And I am looking for some real hands-on training because we all are know that lot of videos are available online, but
Mhm.
once we set that real hands-on production related, nothing is there. I can say zero production related sessions are
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
So that is
because
the reason why.
Yeah, there is a challenge in that. Actually, people do not want to share the information of their organization. Actually, when we go to the Intune portal, Intune platform, so there is a user detail and all the details of the organization. So people usually avoid it. So here you will be getting the benefit because I have prepared the lab material. So in the lab material, there is a scenario which is already set up, so you guys can see the things live uh, on the screen sharing and then learn the things.
Yeah, yeah, Vibin, that's great. And another challenge is that in our organization, 1,000 plus users are there.
Mhm.
So that also just we have to consider, because if any configuration changes, it will impact, because we have locations in multiple regions, multiple locations and all.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
that also a big challenge for me. Yeah,
Mhm.
because without app, without any, I mean, using the app knowledge, I cannot work on this one. So I need to get a complete production related information before applying these policies and all. So
Yeah, yeah,
currently,
yeah.
I really lack this hands-on experience. That is the reason.
Sure, sure.
Thank you.
We'll be collaborating together then on this. So, requesting Rajvardhan to please introduce yourself.
Hi, Vipin. This side Rajvardhan. I am from Lucknow, and currently I am working as a backup and storage analyst at SCL Tech Lucknow only. And basically, I want to join this training to upgrade my skills in Intune track.
Great, great. Thank you, Rajvardhan. Uh, Hi, Rajagopal. Could you please unmute yourself?
Yeah, hi Vipin. I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and I have experience working on storage and backup. And I want to add Intune to my profile. So that's the reason I joined this course.
Great,
Thank
great.
you.
Thank you. Sai Teja.
Hi Vipin, hi everyone. I am from Hyderabad. Currently working in Bangalore as a vulnerability analyst. I hold 4.5 years experience in vulnerability and patch management. I have basics of Intune, so I want to explore more and to clear my MD 102, uh, which would be added advantage to my resume. So I am looking forward to join this training.
Great, great, Sai Teja. Thank you so much. Uh, Hi, Shiva.
Have a panel when having 10 plus years of experience in system admin. I'm looking to enhance my skills in Intune, so that's why I've joined this course.
Okay, great. Thank you. Hi, Sudarshan. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, Vipin. I have 8 plus years of experience and I see a lot of opportunity coming for Intune especially. And I'm planning to learn Intune and move to Intune profile.
Great, great. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Sumit.
Hi, Vipin. I'm working as an MS Teams administrator and I'm looking to explore other workloads in the M365 area. So I chose Intune Training. Thanks.
Great, great. Thank you. Hi, Tharun. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi Vipin, I am from Andhra and I have 3 plus years of experience in Windows Server Administrator. So I have to add the Intune profile in my resume for better opportunities.
Okay, great, great. So I think Jamin is left and Masanam is left. So you guys can introduce yourself respectively one by one.
Hello.
Hi, Masanam.
Bipin, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sorry, my microphone is not working. I'm checking on this. Currently, I'm connected with phone.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah. My name is Masanam. I'm working in Chennai location from Cognizant, and I'm currently technical specialist and 6 plus years of experience in remote desktop support. So I'm looking forward to move on Intune profile. That's why I'm joining this.
Yeah. Thank you, Masanam.
Thank you
Uh,
so much.
Hi, Jamin.
Oh, hi, Vipin. How are you? Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
yeah. So this is Jamin, and I'm like working as a system analyst currently with a company where the company had like Google Workspace scenario. So I just moved the client to like Microsoft 365 like within 2 to 3 months, and so now there are like no endpoint management system at my company currently. So I'm thinking to learn Intune so I can manage those devices.
Great, great. You will be one step ahead. Okay, thank you, Jamin, for introducing yourself. Hi, Ishan. We see Ishan is also left.
Hi, Vipin. I am a system administrator and I do have more than 6 years of experience with Microsoft 365 technologies. So I know some basics about Intune, but I just wanted to explore more on Intune.
Okay, thank you so much. So I think we are done with the introduction. If anyone is left, please do introduce yourself. I think Amin is left.
Hello everyone, good morning. I am from Mysore. I have 12 plus years of experience into Windows virtualization and the last 4 5 years into SCCM. Intune, I have basic knowledge. I want to explore more things on Intune and Copilot, all the things. Thank you.
Thank you. So thank you so much everyone for sharing your experience with Intune and why you want to learn Intune. So I'm really sorry, means I'm just suffering from cold. So if I sound a bit low, then please excuse me with that. I'll be getting better and better day by day with this. So proceeding further, you guys have shared your professional background working on the technology, as you guys are already working on in the IT sector, and you have pretty good knowledge, good experience. Even people having more experience than me are there in the meeting and trying to learn Intune. So it's really great that you guys have chosen Intune to move ahead the technology. So I am proceeding with the next slide. So as we will be proceeding ahead, we'll be seeing the new things and which is going to excite us to learn the technology more. So here I'll be talking about the evolution of the enterprise, that how enterprise evolved, Intune enterprise evolved. Okay, sorry, Banu, you raised your hand. Anything?
Yes, Vipin, if you don't mind, actually, your audio is echoing. If you use headset, it would be better for us to, hear properly.
Okay, is this same for everyone?
No, it's okay for me.
Yeah, Vipin.
Okay, for
Okay, okay. So, Banu, could you please means do the changes in your speaker if possible? Because I tested it before, it was working for me. But if it is like this for you, then I'll try to use the headphone from the next meeting. I haven't arranged it one.
Yeah, please.
Okay, sure. Thank you, Banu, for putting in. So here I'll be talking about the enterprise IT and device management, that how it has been evolved and what is the requirement, that why we are going to switch towards Intune technology, which is more over the cloud technology. So let me start by giving you a quick note at how enterprise IT has evolved over time. So we begin with a very large.
Hello, Vipin.
Hi, Rajvardhan.
Can you record this session?
It is getting recorded in the background.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Thank
it's
you.
getting recorded. Thank you so much for reminding me. So earlier, I was talking about that previously we used to manage the things over servers, and now eventually we have shifted to internet-driven and globally connected environments. So today we operate in a cloud-first world where users, applications, and data need to be accessible from anywhere. So the evolution really has changed the technology perspective at the moment, and now we are more over on the cloud-based thing. So that is why you guys have heard people introducing themselves that previously they were working in the SCCM technology or some other technology, and now there is a requirement in the market to learn Intune because Intune is really dominating in this area. So earlier, there were challenges in traditional device management, so that is why the cloud-based technology was introduced. We'll be getting deep into it once the session will start from Monday. So we'll be learning that why it actually came up in the scene, in tune, why it came up into the scene. So this is the reason why cloud-based technology is evolving these days. You can talk about there are so many other technologies where the devices are getting managed, like Workspace ONE, AirWatch, and for mobile device management, MDM is there, ABM is there, Apple Application Manager, Apple Business Manager, Google Enterprise Platform for Android device management. So these platforms are already working, but as Intune is the part of the Microsoft, so people prefer it more to use the and be reliable on it. So that is why Intune is dominating at this time in the market. So if anybody have any question or any suggestions, so I'll be taking it up once I finish this presentation. So next is what is Microsoft Intune? So I'll be just briefing you out that what is Microsoft Intune in 2 to 3 lines. That cloud-based unified endpoint management. So there is one name that we call it UEM. So you guys can note it down if you are preparing any notes or somewhere. So UEM, we call this platform Intune user endpoint management, unified endpoint management. So why we call this unified endpoint management? There is a reason behind that, because we can manage several devices, several type of devices like Windows, iOS, Android, Linux, and even Google devices are also coming in. It is in the preview mode, it is in the testing mode. So after some days we'll be able to manage those type of devices as well. So, proceeding further, that what makes Intune flexible with the in comparison with the other technologies like SCC. So it is flexible because in the SCCM, I think only servers we were able to manage it, but in Tune, we can manage Windows devices, servers, apps, and everything means that we wish to manage it in the device perspective, and we can do the security compliance. We can deploy the app. We can create the policies to restrict the things and allow the things to be used by the users. So it is more over a unified platform because it allows us to do the things that we wish to do. And talking about the part of Microsoft Intune Manager, Endpoint Manager, why Microsoft Intune has been the part of Microsoft Endpoint Manager. It was started some years back, means it is not very old like SCCM, but yeah, it also have some significance and some changes that I'll be taking up on Monday, that how it has really evolved, means from which perspective to what perspective, and what are the changes, of what are the uh, assignment changes that has happened to the Intune in recent days. So these things are really getting improved day by day in the Microsoft, and people are suggesting their inputs that what can be improved, like device management compliance thing and vulnerability management. Nowadays, people are more focusing on the vulnerabilities of the applications via Intune to resolve the vulnerabilities of application via Intune. So, okay, next slide. So, growing remote. Think next slide is not visible. Okay, let me reshare. Okay. Um, okay, is it visible to everyone?
Yes, it's visible.
Okay. So I was talking about what is Intune. That's completed. So market relevance and demand. There are so many people who connected me personally and wanted to know that what is the relevance of Intune now and how it is going to evolve in the market and how's the market going on for Intune. So at present, as you guys have these many people have already joined Dariga to learn Intune, so you can see the numbers and people have introduced and told you that why they actually need the learning of the Intune and why uh, what is the actual requirement in their organization for Intune and how they are requesting them to move towards Intune. So you can take the relevance from here as well as an example, but talking about the market also. So at present, Intune is really doing great. If you are having a good hands-on experience knowledge on Intune, then you can get a good domain. You can get a good project in your organization. I have seen happening that. So this is the demand of Intune at present in the market. So and there is one more reason that all the organizations are shifting towards the hybrid mode, leaving the server related things. Means people earlier they were using the things on server used to manage the devices over the server, but nowadays they are adopting the cloud technology. Moreover, earlier if you will talk in the cost perspective also, so there was a high cost in managing the servers at a particular location, and if there is any problem any natural calamity happened, then there is a problem to the organization to reach to that location and get the server on, off, and updated. But here in the hybrid mode in the cloud technology, we can access the things from anywhere, sitting from anywhere, and we can manage the things from anywhere. So that is why the IT world is really getting inclined towards the uh, Intune technology or cloud technology. So, talking about the demands of Intune professional in this era, so that is also high actually at this point of time. People are evolving towards Intune. People having good experience on Intune, they are cracking in good companies and getting a good package at the moment. So I think people will be having the questions on this later on that what is the market scope and how they can do the interview or do the certification course to get the certificate on Intune. So the enterprises, organizations, they are adopting it worldwide. You can talk about the other companies, like I'm working in HCL, so I see that there is a SCCM team also working with me. So SCCM team is also being suggested that they should be having the Intune knowledge. And talking about the other organization like Wipro and Infosys or other companies, and so they are also getting inclined towards the cloud technology. Moving ahead, we have course flow that we have the reason that why organization chose this. So people are already working on Microsoft 365 here. I hope we have some people working on Microsoft 365. Anyone?
Yes, Vipin, I am working on Microsoft 365 currently.
Okay,
Yes, Vipin, I am also working.
okay. So as I have already connected with few people personally, so I know that there are people working on this. So it's a good that you guys have the experience of the cloud technology. So it will be really great to understand it more better. So cloud native solution, it is a cloud native solution, zero touch deployment, strong security compliance. So it goes in the circle. What is cloud native solution actually? Cloud native solution, it is built fully as a cloud native platform because our nation don't need on-premise servers or complex infrastructure to manage devices. Sorry, don't slide ahead. Okay, so organizations are moving towards the cloud technology because they are avoiding the on-premise structure and server management. So that's the also a reason that they are adopting Intune. And the zero touch deployment. Touch deployment means that you can sit at one place, access the Intune portal, deploy the application, deploy the device to the users. They will just open the device, they will have the everything. Just excuse me for 10 seconds. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. I was just having some difficulty with my nose running. So, touch deployment, if you will talk about, so it is why it is called as zero touch deployment. The name itself describes its functionality, that why Intune is called as zero touch deployment in the deployment perspective. And it is having strong security and compliance as well. That is why organizations are choosing Intune. Means you can manage the devices from one place, deploy so many types of security compliance on the devices to secure the devices. Even in the kiosk mode also, it's really helpful in this technical world, that you can set up a kiosk device from the security perspective and you can manage it very well from Intune. So, what will be the course flow at the moment, that how we will be getting ahead with the course? So, I'll be sharing the basics of Intune, and how Intune really works with the cloud technology, with other cloud technologies like SharePoint, and security team, how it works with the security team, how it works with the Azure, how it works with the file and print. So these things I'll be sharing with you guys. And then device enrollment, I'll be explaining about all types of device enrollment, that how we do the device enrollment of Windows. So in Windows, there is a topic named as out of box experience, OOB, that will be more interesting to learn. Then autopilot enrollment, which will be the part of device enrollment only. It is mainly done for the Windows, so that will also be there. And then we will be talking about policies and profiles, how to create policies, restriction policies, and how to create the profiles so that the particular Wi-Fi certificate, particular VPN certificate can be pushed to the users, how to create all those. Then coming to the app management, that how we deploy the apps via Winget deployment, via Intune bin deployment, creating the PowerShell script and deploying the application, deploying it from the Microsoft Store applications which are already available. Then we will be talking about security and compliance, at how we are going to create the security policies for the device to manage, and what will be the compliance rule that we will be setting up on the device so that a particular device is compliant with the organization policies. And I'll also be sharing the ideas and my perspective to troubleshoot the things if there is anything getting breaked in the devices, like in Windows, in iOS, or in Android. So we will be covering mostly three devices, three type of devices, that is Windows, iOS, and Android. So the learning methodology that I'm going to follow, that includes the concept explanation. I'll be showing the slides. I'll be giving you the content to read to understand that how things are there in Intune at the moment, and then I'll be giving the live demos on behalf accordingly as per the concept explanation. So topic wise, I have already shared the PDF with you all. I hope you have gone through that. So those topics we are going to include in the training from Monday. But if anyone wants to add some more topic or have some more questions, then they are welcome with that. We can take those topics, and we can explain those topics, get that explained and get it learned by everyone. Hands-on lab also, I'll be helping you guys to set up the lab on your devices. If you want to set up on your device and learn it, that's a really good thing, but really takes a good internet bandwidth, and it takes a good time to set up the lab. So I'll be helping you out with setting up the lab. So real world use cases, I'll be just bringing out the real world use cases, that if any organization is requesting you to enroll 10 Windows devices and some Android devices in their organization, so how we will be proceeding with that. Yeah, Rajesh, I see you have raised your hand.
Yes, Vipin, I have one very small concern. As you mentioned, something like very high bandwidth is required for setting up the lab. So
Mhm.
actually, it's a cloud platform, no? So how it would be applicable? I mean, the high bandwidth is required for setting up the lab. I'm not getting that point.
Yeah. Thank you for putting in. So high bandwidth I was talking about, because we have to download about 4 GB of the content from the Microsoft to set up the lab via Hyper-V. So that is why I told that high bandwidth is really required and good system being needed.
Yeah, that means it's a one-time activity, right?
Yeah, that's a one-time activity. Once it is set up, then we can proceed with it. I'll be sharing the details, that from where to download the things, and I'll even be sharing the steps that we have to follow to set up it. Even I'll be
Okay,
showing
thank
it
you.
as well. Okay, I see that Amin also raised hand.
Yeah, Vipin. You're talking about setting up, because Intune portal, it's all on cloud, as Rajesh said.
Yeah,
So
it is all on
means the
cloud,
lab
but
setting up,
lab setting up means that setting.
like you are talking about the Windows 11
Yeah,
ISO
yeah,
image download.
yeah. On Hyper-V.
Okay, okay. So yeah, I have one more question. Can I ask now or after
Yeah,
the
you can
presentation?
ask, you can ask.
Okay. So I've gone through the content. So like in SCCM, when we do app deployment or OSD, all that. So there is a locks we are going to check for troubleshooting,
Hmm,
right?
hmm,
So
hmm, hmm.
it fails, all that. Is it something like in Intune? Because in the
Yeah,
content I can't see anything related to reports,
reports
reporting.
reporting also is there. It might be the part of some topic. So reporting, if you will talk about reporting in the sense that when we have deployed some application, so there is already option in Intune that you can check that on how many users devices the application is being deployed, or a particular policy is deployed on how many users devices, what is the user detail, at what time it was executed on the device, it got failed or successful, and even in the registry also it will be created. And even at a particular location that is already set up by the organization, we can go to the C Windows logs. There will be a log folder. From there we can access the logs and read the logs, understand that what is
So,
actual.
is it like in Intune, we used to have, sorry, in SCCM, we used to have from the primary site, means the centralized logs folder where we can see the status, what is happening, not happening.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So
So
like that, because it runs on cloud, so how will identify, because if let's say I deployed one app for 50 computers, so how I'll make sure that that app is deployed in all so many computers, or where it fails?
okay, okay. So there is a particular service, we call it Microsoft Intune Management Extension. So it is mainly Intune Management Extension, IME it is called. So once the device is getting enrolled with the autopilot or with hybrid joint, so with Intune, so it will be having Intune Management Extension as a service running on that particular device, which is being managed by Intune. Talking about Windows, okay. So once you deploy any of the particular application from Intune to that particular device, so it will just trigger the Intune Management Extension service, and it will try to install on the device, and then it will create the log in the Windows logs folder. So we can go at that particular location, see the logs whether that application is installed, executed or not. And even the event viewer also, we can go to the event viewer and read the logs, going to the application section and understand that what the logs is saying, whether the application is installed, what is actually being caused of the failure, what is the cause of the failure. We can see in the event viewer as well.
Okay, okay, thank you. And Intune able to manage servers also, like earlier you said in the first slide.
Yeah, yeah. Windows servers, there are particular Windows server which are hybrid joint. So those can be managed from Intune. Managed means
So,
you can deploy policies, you can deploy certificates, and you can deploy VPN and all.
okay. Because I heard from my colleagues who are already into Intune that
Mhm.
Intune is mainly for client management.
Yep.
Windows Server support they have not given
They
as of now anything.
they have not given it, but particular service if you want to use like certificate deployment and policy deployment. So we are doing it, but it's not mainly, we are not enrolling a
But
server.
when we
Yeah.
cannot enroll, right?
We
Without
cannot
enrollment, we
enroll. We
cannot
cannot
deploy.
enroll it. We can manage it, but we cannot enroll it.
Okay, without enrolling, then how the policy we can apply to servers?
The users, if a particular server is deployed to a particular user account, so that user account will be managed in that section. Going in that section, the device section will be there. From there, we are managing it. Means all the user certificate, user policies being pushed. So that is why we manage. Means we can see those servers under the user, and we can manage it.
Okay,
It's mainly read access if we'll talk about. We cannot do the any changes from Intune on the servers.
okay, okay.
Okay, so proceeding ahead, what will be the requirement of setting up the lab? So personal system requirement is needed. Internet and admin access should be there on the device, and Microsoft account if you need, you can create one, or I'll be providing you guys an account or some alternative that can help you to set up the lab. Okay, so if anybody have any queries, yeah, Jamin.
Yeah, Vipin. So I actually have a Microsoft account, and
Mm-hmm.
I also have my personal domain, which I
Okay.
bought for practice at my
Mm-hmm.
home. I also have like a few Windows 11 devices
Okay.
and server ISO.
Mm-hmm.
I'm using like a VMware workstation. So will that be okay instead of Hyper-V?
Yeah,
Or
it is really fine. It is really good for you. Means even I'll be requesting you to share your screen and then help all of us with the things. I also do have the lab which is already prepared from the Microsoft and all the topics are included for MD102. I can help you to get that topics copied and you can learn the things at any point of time if you have already set up it.
okay, yeah, like I already enrolled like few devices before for my exam preparation, so
Mhm.
it's already my lab is already been ready right now. With I also have like E5 trial license for 60 days to use it for
Okay,
practice.
okay.
So
That's
just need
that's
the
really
time.
good. That's really good. So means you are already one step ahead in that.
Yeah,
But
like before joining it, I was already started practicing like from 2 weeks for
Mhm.
the exam, and then I noticed that you are providing training, so I just joined you.
Okay, great. Thank you. So, ensuring system readiness means you can get your system ready with it. And okay, sorry, Shivam, if my voice was breaking in between. So, is it breaking for everyone or for only?
No,
Okay,
it's fine.
It's fine.
No weapon.
okay. So it might be the network issue, Shivam, at your end. So I'll be suggesting you guys if I am explaining. Yeah, let me complete, I mean, then you can put in your question. So I'll be suggesting you guys to please keep a notepad or pen and copy with you handy. If there is any topic going on, means I'm explaining any topic and any question arises in your mind, you can write that question down and later on in the questionnaire session, we can have that questions. Yeah, Rajesh.
We've been just related with this MD102 certification.
Mhm.
Suppose once I completed this course,
Mhm.
then will it be okay to take the exam? Because I don't want any proxy or because I want to take the exam from my own. I mean,
Yeah,
without
means
any.
I am not going to do the proxy or anything. Means I'll be just helping you out with the content and with the idea that shortcut that you can take to clear the exam. Means first for the first time you might face some issues. Means you might get less scores because first time when I took it, it was in 2022. So I scored 680 marks, but 700 marks were the passing marks. Then I got to know that if you are choosing the advanced, that means there is a survey which comes first before the exam. It asks that how much knowledge you have in Intune. So by mistake, I chose that as advanced. So advanced level of questions were coming in that. So I'll be helping you with that as well. Means, but I request everyone if you are planning to take MD 102 exam, so please prepare yourself for 3 months because it is costly as well. $165 almost you have to pay. But if you are already working in some organizations, there are organizations providing you the zero cost certificate opportunity, so you can choose that also. But make sure to get that zero certification course once you are fully prepared with it. So once the training will be over, so you can do the preparation for 2 months with the recordings, and even I'll be reachable over the phone, over WhatsApp. And if you want to connect for a particular topic, then I'm also happy to connect and share my insights, my knowledge on that. I am also not too good with the things with the technology. I am still learning, and everyone learns till the last breath. No one is going to be perfect. So if I do make some mistakes and you guys get in that I'm making some mistake in explaining the topics, please stop me in between and let me know that where mistakes mistake is being caused, so that I can correct myself. And so one more thing which I'll be requesting you guys to join on time so that you are not missing up any of the topic and the introduction of the topic. And these are the basic things I expect that everyone already knows, so no need of explanation. And requesting everyone to please respect everyone's questions, everyone's answers, everyone's input, and we have to collaborate together for a particular 1 month and learn the technology by everyone collaborating with each other. Today I might be sounding a bit low because I'm suffering from cold and a bit of fever also. But by Monday I'll be okay, and I'll be coming with more energy and more enthusiasm to share the knowledge about Tune. I hope nobody have any problem with it.
Bibin, regarding this timing, it's fixed for all because
Yeah,
it's a
it
bit
is. It
challenging
is.
for
Yeah.
me.
Yeah, Rajesh, it is actually fixed, but we'll be having the recordings, and you can just call me or you can text me for the recording. I can share it with you. It is already fixed because people have already agreed on this timeline, and I also have planned this time only because I also have my shifts getting started after 11:30 or 12.
Okay.
But if you have a particular anybody means it's for everybody. If anybody have any concern regarding any of the topic, then we can connect for like half an hour, 30 minutes, 1 hour for a particular topic discussion, and then we can learn anytime on weekends. Okay, so moving ahead. So asking the questions and clarity of the doubts, sharing expectations that I have already told you guys that what are the methodology that we will be following to get the questions cleared and doubts cleared, and your expectations also can be shared with me.
Vipin, what are the what we will be setting the lab on Monday, or we can download it now?
Yeah, yeah, we will be setting the lab on Monday.
You can even do it on the Mac, right?
Excuse me, Rajagopal, means I'm unable to hear you properly.
You need Windows OS, or you can even do it in the Mac.
Windows OS will be good, but we can do on Mac as well. I'm not sure that if we can set up the Hyper-V lab on Mac. I haven't done yet, but Windows will be good if we are on Windows.
Okay, thank you.
So, Amin, yeah, sorry I missed you, Amin, in between.
Yeah, yeah. Rajgopal, yeah, you can set up, I think you can use VMware Fusion for Mac, same like VMware Workstation.
Great,
Oh, okay,
thank
thank
you
you,
for your
Amin.
feedback.
VMware Fusion, okay.
Yeah, VMware Fusion. It's available free. You can download from Broadcom. You need to
Okay.
just download it. Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, Vipin. I had one question that time.
Yeah, yeah, please
So,
let me.
yeah, you talk about Windows Hyper-V we can set up. How we can test the labs related to iOS and mobile devices? Like how we can we need to enroll our mobiles to test deployment or app protections policies,
Uh,
all of it.
Yeah, that's a really tricky thing to do, but we will try to find out. Means I'm also looking for some alternative if I can find it out. But if anybody have a Mac device or phone, we all have phones. So phones we can do the enrollment. Regarding Mac devices, I have to find out some alternative to that. Do that, but via company portal enrollment we can do that as well. I hope I'm convincing with that.
Yeah, before Tarun is having question, one last question.
Mhm.
So, do you cover topic related to the Apple like automatic deployment? Because we have one client coming up, we want to manage. They were talking about ABM and ADE something,
Mhm.
where we
S-
want to automatically enroll multiple
mhm.
devices.
So
Yeah,
let
through
me.
company portal we can do I think one on one because
Huh,
if they
one
have
one
more than
one
yeah
one.
more than 100 devices, so how we can
So
enroll?
regarding Mac devices, JMF platform is there, so you can learn about JMF. So
No, actually they are moving from JMF to Intune. The existing infra is JMF. They are
mhm.
migrating from JMF to Intune.
So
So
Mac
they were
OS,
my seniors were talking about something on Apple Business Manager and AD,
Apple Business Manager, yeah. So Apple
ADE
Business.
or something deployment they told.
Apple Business Manager is mainly for iOS devices. So on Apple Business Manager, integration is being done with the Intune. And so that is why on Intune, all the devices being managed by ABM, Apple Business Manager, they get the integration with a token key of Intune, and then those devices get migrated to Intune portal. And in Intune, we manage the devices. We set up the compliance policies, but the device configuration and device setup is mainly done on AVM platform only.
Anything that is covered or
No, 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 I'm not covering AVM thing, AVM configuration, but a bit of introduction that how it is being integrated with Intune. AVM is getting integrated with Intune because we are covering the topics of Intune. Means I'll be not getting deep to the AVM or Google Enterprise platform regarding Android.
okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Tharun.
Bro, to configure Hyper-V in our systems, it is required 16 GB RAM or 8 GB is fine.
Yeah, 16 GB RAM is actually required, but 8 GB will also work. Uh, you can do with the 8 GB as well.
Okay, bro.
Okay, so anybody have any other query? So for Banu, I am really sorry for that. If my voice is still echoing for you from Monday, I will try to manage some headphone or headset.
Hello, Vipin.
Yeah, 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 Raju.
Actually, I want to ask that how long this session will be.
The session is of 1 hour actually. Every day we will be doing for 1 hour except Sundays. So on Sundays there will be no session, but every day we will be having 1 hour till 26th of Feb.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, anybody have any query? So,
Do we cover any graph API related?
no servant means that really advanced thing for it means I can explain you about Graph API that how we do integrate and we do the automations with the Graph API for Intune personally, but we are not going to cover that topic. That is really getting deep dive into it. But introduction part I'll be doing it. How we are using Graph API that I'll be doing it.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Shravan.
And we think if there will be an invite on daily basis to join
No, no.
the Monday to
Invite I have already extended to everyone. Means it is till 26th or 27th Feb. I remember. So we can join with the same link every day.
Vipin, will you be covering any packaging topics
Yeah,
in your class?
packaging topic. If you will talk about packaging, so packaging is really a different topic out of Intune. I'll be just briefing you out that how packaging is being done from the packaging team and how we are connected with the packaging to deploy the application via Intune and what is the really requirement and what is the basic things that we have to check before deployment of any application.
And okay, regarding timings, it is fixed, right? 10 to 11 a.m. I
Yeah,
guess.
it is fixed. Sorry for that, Saitesh.
Yeah, I can be attend seeing the recording
Yeah,
sessions.
recording sessions you can go through. If you have any doubt, you can connect with me personally over phone or
Yeah,
over WhatsApp. I can explain you the topic again. Okay, so I think we are good here, and I'm really sorry for 2 days. My energy level and my voice, it is due to cold. So by Monday, I'll be bringing up more enthusiasm and more energy in the meeting. And I request everyone also to be more interactive with us and share your input, share your knowledge, share your experience about the cloud technology mainly. And let's learn the technology together collaboratively and we can excel into it. And Intune is not really a rocket science, it's a really easy topic in the cloud technology. And if I'll be showing you the platform of Intune on Monday, you will see that all the options talk about themselves, that if you will click on that option or that button, what that button is going to do for you. So everything is very user friendly. If you will talk about the platform, it is very user friendly in Intune. But you just have to understand that for doing particular task, what is the location or what is the point that we have to go through, what is the platform that we have to go through to finish our task. I expect that nobody have any questions now. If anybody have
Yeah.
missed, yeah, anybody have
Uh,
missed their introduction part, then please do the same.
Within one final question from my side.
Yeah, yeah,
Suppose
Rajesh.
today there are a lot of platforms are there for learning as well, like Udemy, other platforms are as well. So,
Mhm.
what are additional benefits or trainings we are going to get from your this one?
So additional benefits, Rajesh. Once you are connected with me, I have already talked personally with the people regarding that. Means once you are connected with me, you are connected with me forever. And even I am giving the training of Intune. If there is any opening or any opportunity of Intune here in HCL in the organization which I am working currently, I'll be still working for like five years in HCL only. I have contract with HCL, so I'll be working for about 5 years more in HCL. That should not be disclosed, but I'm disclosing it. So I'll be reachable at any point of time for any topic discussion or any feedback, or if you want to share anything about technology, if you want to know about some topic that you need some content or you need some hands-on experience of any particular topic, I can do that as well and in my free time connecting with you. If you will talk about the MD102, so MD102 topics I'll be just covering up in the syllabus. But if you would like to go for the exam of MD102 after 3 months completing the training, then if you want to connect before the exam to learn about the topics, so that means learning alone and learning with the team or with the people. So that is moreover a good way to learn and to grasp the knowledge so that we can retain that knowledge for more time. So that is also another thing that I can do with everyone who's ever is going to appear for MD102 exam. So if you talk about the benefits, so the recordings will be available for everyone at any point of time. You can reach me out for the recording. And if you will talk about the content, that if you need to read uh, readable content, that also I'll be sharing it out. And even the mock exam preparation for the MD 102, I'll be doing it. So that's all the benefits. So benefits, if you will talk about the benefits, there is no ending of the benefits. Means I'll be personally available to everyone. That is why there is not a more number. We have almost 20 to 22 members in here. So it will be really easy for me also to connect with each and everyone personally if you need any guidance or any support with Intune. And I have already made it sure that I'm also still learning. I might make some mistakes in explaining the topics, and I'll be also requesting you guys to please interrupt me in between. If I do make some mistake, let me know to correct it.
Okay, and Vipin, what about these troubleshooting scenarios? That is also
Troubleshooting
most of the
scenarios, yeah,
yes, correct.
yeah, I'll be bringing out some good topics regarding troubleshooting. What is the mainly means every day, what type of issues user comes with for Intune troubleshooting that we do from Intune perspective. Mainly, there are users using Windows devices, iOS devices, or Android devices coming up for the troubleshooting that they are not able to enroll their devices. There is a particular application getting failed to install from company portal. So I'll be bringing out that topic and that scenario to help you troubleshooting in all those things.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, anybody have any query? I hope we are with the time also. Yeah, Banu.
Hi, Vipan. So I just wanted to know the technically whichever you're teaching, it should be implemented in a project or in a work in a real world experience.
Yeah,
Rather than
that's the
just
way.
telling, in
Mhm.
yeah, I'll go ahead. So rather than if you see with the videos in YouTube and all, yeah, even I just went through and I collect a lot of information, but that is something basically everyone does, right? So I need something called real world experience in your project or in your work. What would be your day to day task? So what actually the day to day task has been done in the work. So that's that based on that technically I need it. So that
Okay.
would be helpful for us
Mhm.
in job also. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, sure. Orally, I'll be sharing you that what type of tickets I do receive every day, and uh, what are the troubleshooting I'm doing to resolve that particular type of issue with perspective of Intune. I'll be sharing that. Means even actually, what is the challenges that we do face sometimes in troubleshooting and resolving the users issues. Sometimes we get P2 tickets. If you will talk about the priority tickets that we get usually in Intune, so that is very less number because we are already doing the pre-configuration and automations in the background to avoid those type of issues. But I'll be surely sharing some information on that what type of work that I really do usually every day, like enrollment, application deployment, and troubleshooting the application failures. If there is any requirement to be added for a particular application, how to add that requirement, how to get that requirement done for a particular user, making there are users directly approaching us to make the devices as a shared device, means so that everyone can log into that particular device. How I am doing that, I'll be sharing all those things with you guys. I'll be explaining the topic one by one. You can just jump in between and ask that how this is going to be used in the real world scenarios. I'll be surely explaining. If I miss in between, you can jump in and you can ask these things. I hope I'm good with it now. Okay, okay. So we can wrap up for today. I expect let's meet on Monday with the first topic.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much,
Sure.
everyone. Thank you so much for joining today and wishing you a good learning journey with me. So let's connect on Monday back on real topics. Today we had just an introduction.
Thank you,
Sure,
Vipin.
Vipin.
Thanks all.
Thanks. And thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, Vipin.
Thanks, Vipin.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, so Samuel, Masanam, Amin, Rajwardhan, Rajagopal, if you guys have any queries.
Yeah, no, Vipin, thank you. If I have anything, I'll message you in WhatsApp.
Okay, okay, thank you, Rajagopal.
Thank you. Take care of your health. Have a nice week.
Thank you, Vipin.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, Masanam and Samuel, if you have any questions. Okay, I'm removing you guys from the call and we'll be ending the call now. Thank you. Thank you everyone for joining.